I'm going to show you how to edit a document, a PDF with DocHub. You're going to open your assignment here, and you'll see that it says PDF at the bottom. When you open a PDF in your Google Classroom, it'll show up with black all around it. And you can only print it. You can't write in it. You can't do anything with it. I'm going to go up here to where it says Open With, and I'm going to click DocHub. If you don't have DocHub as one of those options, you can click the plus sign to add it. And when you search for it in the search bar, when it comes up, you'll search for DocHub, DocHub, and it will be the first one that comes up there. And it will have a green button that says connect to Google Chrome. And you can click that and add it to your choices. And then it will show up here like mine does. DocHub. You're going to open it up. When you open it, if you've opened it before, it will say, do you want to create a duplicate or use existing? Always use existing. If you create a duplicate, then you may have some of your work in one place, some of your work in another place. You want all your work to be in the same document. I'm going to show you 3 different tools. Here we have add text, and then we also have the draw freehand tool and the highlight tool. Here I have a quiz, and I can choose how to mark my answer in the quiz. I can do it with any of these tools. With the add text tool, let's say I choose my answer, I can write an O next to my answer to kind of circle my answer. Or I can use the draw freehand tool and click and hold and circle my answer there. Or I could highlight my answer. It shows here what color the highlighter is going to be. I can click and hold and slide across the page to highlight my answer. Your choice on how you mark your answer. Just make sure that it's clear for your teacher. In some of the answers or questions, there's a smaller writing space. Then it's not just you writing across the line, it's you writing in a box. For those, you're going to want to click and hold, slide across the page, and make that match your the size of your text box. Otherwise, when you write, it will go all the way across the page. I'll just write some gibberish here, and it just keeps going. Now, if you do that, you can just indent, press enter, and go to the next line. If you're not able to make a box for text. I'm going to try that again, making a box for text. Click and hold and slide across the page. And that makes a box for the text that matches the box that I need to write in. And the last thing I'll show you, sometimes on ELA passages in this spelling power, there are crossword puzzles. You can either write your answer with the freehand tool. You can write in each of those boxes. You'll have to click and hold and write in the box. Or the other thing you can do is click the add text tool and type your answer next to the prompt. When you go to save it, you're going to click this line with the arrow on top, download and export. When you click that, it will come up and ask you where you want to save it. You're going to save it in Google Drive. And this also is very important, just like use existing. It's going to ask you if you want to merge existing with revisions. You're going to click that and export it to Drive. Don't create a new copy. Always update the existing. And that's how to edit.